Imagine detecting a single drop of scent dispersed across an Olympic swimming pool 40 times over. That's the great white shark's olfactory prowess. Its nose is legendary, an almost alien organ. The shark's olfactory bulb is massive, nearly a third of its entire brain. Evolution said, let's go absolutely wild. This predator can detect one drop of blood in 100 million liters of water. That's a needle in a hay ocean. Your kitchen sink holds 10 liters. This shark could smell a single cell from 10 million sinks. This extreme chemoreception guides it to prey, navigating vast oceans. Scientists still struggle to comprehend its predatory precision. The great white shark holds an undisputed olfactory title. It can detect one drop of blood in 100 million liters. That is equivalent to finding a single teaspoon of scent distributed across 40 Olympic swimming pools. You are basically blind. This incredible sensitivity allows detection from kilometers away. A chemical plume travels, signaling fresh prey. A great white can pick up a scent from over 2 kilometers away. Your dog sniffs a treat from 10 meters. The shark specifically targets amino acids released by injured or stressed animals. It's a precise bloodhound in the ocean. Evolution saw the need for blood detection and said yes, more, much more. The result is this aquatic terror. Its nostrils are separated by up to 20 centimeters. This binaural sense of smell creates a scent stereo for pinpoint accuracy. Great whites can discern chemical concentrations as low as 1 part per 25 billion. That's a single grain of sugar in 10,000 liters. As the shark swims, water constantly flows through its nostrils and over sensory cells. The answer lies within an intricate biological marvel, the great white's highly evolved olfactory anatomy. Each nostril has 10 to 18 intricate lamella folds, creating a complex, feathery maze that dramatically amplifies the detection surface for dissolved chemicals from great distances. These complex lamellae increase scent detection surface by over 100 times, transforming a simple nostril into an ultra-sensitive marine chemical sensor for the open ocean. A human nose has about 6 centimeters square olfactory epithelium. Pathetic, really. The great white boasts over 10,000 centimeter squares of receptor area, a staggering sensory acreage, constantly scanning the vast ocean currents for the faintest trace of prey blood. Specialized receptor cells within these lamellae bind specific odor molecules. Subscribe if you think evolution still holds secrets to shock us. This data is processed by an olfactory bulb disproportionately large, constituting 2/3 of its forebrain. Yours is a pea. Inside each nostril, olfactory rosettes feature 60 to 70 lamella, greatly increasing surface area for maximum scent detection. As the shark swims, water is passively channeled through these specialized rosettes at a rate of 0.2 meters per second. Olfactory neurons, sensitive to even single odorant molecules, transmit signals directly to the great white's massive olfactory bulb. Your human nose has 6 million olfactory receptors. The great white boasts 10,000 times that, with over 60 billion receptors. Its olfactory bulb alone contains billions of neurons, roughly 10% of its entire brain's neuronal count. You have 2 nostrils. The data from these receptors is processed almost instantly, allowing real-time, high-resolution chemical mapping of its environment. Evolution never stops surprising. Subscribe if you believe nature has more untold secrets waiting beneath the waves. For the great white, scent isn't just a signal. It's the opening chapter of a deadly, calculated pursuit. Imagine detecting just 1 drop of blood in 100 million liters of water. That's the shark's olfactory superpower. This isn't just swimming. It's a masterclass in sensory integration. Once a faint scent trail is established, the shark doesn't just follow it blindly. It weaves this chemical whisper into a complex tapestry of information, combining it with its electroreception, a sixth sense that detects the faintest electrical impulses from prey. Think of it as an underwater radar, picking up biosignatures invisible to us. The shark then uses the ocean's currents and topography to its advantage, an intelligent hunter positioning itself for a surprise attack, often from below, capitalizing on the element of surprise. When the target is finally in range, the great white explodes from the depths, reaching speeds up to 56 kilometers per hour. For the prey, this sudden, explosive acceleration is often the first and tragically the last sign. Its bite force is an astonishing 1.8 tons per square inch. For perspective, your jaw strength is only about 80 psi. This makes them incredibly efficient hunters. A single large meal can sustain a great white for weeks, allowing it to conserve energy for its vast oceanic patrols. Hunting grounds like False Bay, South Africa, become deadly arenas where seals are consistently targeted at depths up to 30 meters. But great whites are not mindless predators. They learn from each encounter, adapting their tactics to outsmart increasingly wary prey populations, showing a remarkable capacity for intelligence. A single great white eye boasts over 30 million rods, 10 times more than your own. Beyond raw sensory input, the true genius of the great white resides in its brain's sophisticated processing power. While their olfactory bulb is large, it's not the only reason for their legendary hunting prowess. They possess thousands of specialized pores called ampullae of Lorenzini, detecting minute bioelectric fields. Imagine sensing the faint muscle twitches of prey hidden beneath sand, a feat humans cannot fathom. This electrosensory gift allows for precise strikes when vision falters. Their brain is a master integrator, seamlessly blending chemical, electrical, and visual data. Scientists have observed sharks adapting complex hunting strategies after just 2 encounters with new prey. How does this apex predator achieve such rapid learning? Their hunting tactics reveal sophisticated planning, with some sharks surveying potential targets from over 100 meters away. This isn't instinct, it's calculated decision-making, weighing risk against reward with unnerving precision. Remarkably, great whites exhibit long-term memory, recognizing boats or individuals for up to 10 years. They are far from simple automatons. These are ocean chess grandmasters, problem solvers adapting to their environment. Though their brain-to-body ratio is lower than ours, their neural efficiency is astounding. Even personality shines through. Some sharks are bold, others cautious, displaying unique traits over time. Evolution has crafted a predator that truly thinks, a testament to the profound intelligence that lies behind the bite. The great white isn't just a modern marvel. It culminates an extraordinary evolutionary journey spanning 400 million years. Imagine a creature that has witnessed almost all of Earth's animal life unfold. This ancient lineage traces back 16 million years to formidable ancestors like Megalodon, whose teeth measured a staggering 18 centimeters long. That's 3 times bigger than a modern great white's. Long before Megalodon, the earliest sharks, like the primitive Cladocelochi, swam Earth's primordial oceans a breathtaking 400 million years ago. These tenacious survivors endured every major extinction event our planet has ever faced. How many species can claim such an unbroken lineage? This ancient design, honed over 400 million years, is why they survive. For perspective, humans have existed for just 300,000 years. Their unique cartilaginous skeleton, lighter than bone, allowed unparalleled maneuverability from the start, a key adaptation. Evolution, it seems, decided bone was simply too basic for these ultimate hunters. From ancient seas to today's vast oceans, the great white represents an unbroken chain of apex predation, a living fossil of power and efficiency. The true direct ancestor, Carcharodon hacellus, dominated oceans 16 million years ago. This formidable broad-toothed mako was the immediate evolutionary predecessor. Over a span of 10 million years, C. hastalis gradually developed its distinctive serrated teeth, steadily evolving into the ultimate apex predator we recognize today, Carcharodon carcharias. While C. hastalis was formidable, imagine the power of the modern great white. It boasts an average bite force of 18,000 newtons. That's an astonishing 10 times stronger than a human's bite. For millions of years, the colossal Otodus megalodon also dominated, reaching an immense 18 meters long. However, its lineage diverged earlier from the great white's direct evolutionary path. Far from being mere monsters, Great white sharks are indispensable guardians of oceanic health and balance. Their populations have plummeted by over 70% recently. That's like losing over 2/3 of your entire family overnight. Without these apex predators, mesopredator species would proliferate unchecked, causing devastating trophic cascades that unravel entire marine food webs. Imagine if squirrels suddenly took over your neighborhood, eating all the birdseed and driving out the rabbits. Imagine that, but underwater. Scientists estimate over 100 million sharks are killed annually by humans, a staggering number that jeopardizes oceanic health for future generations. It's a grim statistic considering their vital role as architects of the ocean, shaping marine life for millions of years. Fortunately, conservation efforts are gaining momentum. From establishing marine protected areas to enacting stricter fishing regulations worldwide, there's hope. Organizations like CITES have listed great whites for protection, a crucial step in restricting the international trade of their fins and teeth. Research continues to reveal their incredible biology. For instance, they can detect a heartbeat from over 3 kilometers away. Understanding their vital role dispels the Jaws-induced fear. Shark attacks remain statistically rare, numbering around 10 fatalities annually globally. These ancient giants are not just hunters, they are essential regulators, a testament to nature's enduring power. Shark ecotourism now generates hundreds of millions of dollars globally, proving their economic value alive is immense. The future of our oceans is inextricably linked to the survival of the great white shark. We have a responsibility to protect these magnificent creatures, ensuring they continue their 2-million-year role as oceanic custodians. Their legacy is written in the ocean's deep history, a testament to nature's enduring power and perfection in design.